October 5th, 2019, we've just started a canoe trip down the Rifle River in beautiful Ogemaw County. Pedal on the right. Okay, you're not putting your hand on that yellow piece like I told you. There you go. Just real slow. No need to paddle yet. Just gonna drift. We're drifting. We've got a 5-hour canoe trip here with my buddy Nathan. A first-time canoer, is that right? No. Oh, okay. All right, do you know what we're doing, Nathan? We're going all the way to the right if we can. So paddle very slowly. We want to approach it slow on the right.
I want to do some draw right.
Yep, draw right, Nathan. Draw right, buddy. Draw right hard. Draw right hard. Draw right. Hold on. Watch your, hold on. Okay, this is fine. So now, yep, duck. I'm gonna try and get you a little bit farther. Good job, Nathan. Good job, buddy. How am I looking, Kenning?
You're doing good.
Okay, now we go.
Welcome your way along. You want to go to the right.
Good job, buddy. We're doing great. All right, I'm gonna.
Are we gonna go the same way as
Not if we can help.
Woo! We've got this challenge of a tree that's down the entire river, and it's low enough where we can't get anybody, we can't limbo it, we can't just duck and get under it, and I'm not even sure we can get the canoes under it. It's that low, but it's high enough where we can't canoe over it. So it's I don't think we're gonna starve to death, as my friend has mentioned, but we may have to just do some lifting over. So we ended up having to do an impromptu portage because this log, this tree, which looks fairly fresh when I look at the roots, it's pretty brand new, not worn. We had to portage over. So Nathan, you want to grab this? Take that over there, and here, can you grab this too? Grab your pad. Just set it down over there for now. Because then you're going to do the scooting thing again. Like what we did earlier. You know what I'm talking about?
Oh, when we were stuck?
Yup.
That's a lot of...
That's alright. You're alright. Oh, it's been a tricky ride down the river. It's taken us a little longer to do stuff because of all the downed trees and the twisting and catching on trees and rocks. Whoa. Careful. Whoa. Ooh. I need you to tell me what we just did and how it went for the last 3 hours.
So, right here is a body of water, and it's moving. We were moving along with it, and a few of us got to know the water pretty well. Does that answer all your questions?
So what was it? Was it very challenging, the stretch we just did? Describe some of the obstacles we had to deal with.
So, I have a really good partner in my canoe. It's Jude. He follows instructions well. To any of his future employers, you can count me as one of his references. So we were fine. You know what I mean? overall for the group, it's provided us with, you know, some slight challenges, but all in all, you know, we got through it together with perseverance, all that good stuff.
Shoot right for the middle, probably. We've had another spill. Another young man has spilled out of the kayak, so we've had to do some switching. The kayak ended up going downstream. It's been a rough trip. I mean, this has been one of the tougher fall river trips this group has done. It's a lot of obstacles, a lot of twists, a lot of turns, very tricky. I've managed to stay mostly dry, although my feet are still soaking. But, you know, it's getting late. Well, looks like our trip is being a little bit short. River's tough. I mean, the river was real tough today. This was not the first bridge we were supposed to be at. Supposed to slow down. We were supposed to be, this is a little over halfway what we planned, but it's already after 5 o'clock and it's getting dark and cold. This has been tricky. One of the trickier trips I've done. Let's just land under the bridge. Land under the bridge. I don't care if we hit the rocks. We're spinning sideways. Hold on. We're gonna spin sideways.